Deep in the silent cradle of the high mountains, a whisper begins among the ancient bamboo stalks, where life breathes in the quiet morning mist. Here, the emerald giants sway in a rhythmic dance, their leaves catching the first golden rays of sun as the world slowly wakes to beauty. Tiny droplets of dew tremble on the edge of vibrant green leaves, reflecting the purity of an ecosystem that has thrived for countless generations. A single drop falls, a crystal liquid pearl descending to the damp, dark earth, signaling the heartbeat of a forest that never truly sleeps. Thick, sturdy stalks stand as pillars of resilience, their textured skin telling stories of time, strength, and the quiet power of the natural world. The camera glides upward along the vertical lines of a bamboo trunk, reaching toward the canopy where the sky and forest meet in harmony. A weathered hand reaches out, fingers gently tracing the rough, organic surface of the wood, feeling the raw pulse of the earth's ancient energy. In this sacred silence, we find the beginning of a journey, where the strength of the forest prepares for a breathtaking and delicate transformation. The silence is broken as the journey of transformation begins, moving from the wild forest into the realm of human ingenuity and careful precision. Focused beams of light guide the sharp, clean cuts of the bamboo, each movement deliberate and surgical, honoring the material even as it changes. Powerful machinery hums with a steady rhythm, turning the solid trunks into uniform pieces. A necessary step in the grand alchemy of sustainable creation. The air is filled with the scent of fresh wood as the bamboo is reduced to fine, golden chips, ready for their next evolutionary phase. Observe the mechanical symphony of the grinding process, where raw strength meets technological efficiency to unlock the hidden potential within every single fiber. Vast mounds of clean chips glisten under the studio lights, meticulously sorted by robotic precision to ensure only the highest quality remains behind. Each chip is a fragment of the forest's soul, waiting to be reborn into something soft, fluid, and remarkably elegant for the modern world. We break the structure to set the spirit free, a controlled destruction that paves the way for a beautiful and sustainable rebirth in fashion. The industrial landscape becomes a stage for renewal, where the rigid becomes flexible and the old prepares to take on a completely new form. Inside the heart of the laboratory, the physical boundaries of wood dissolve, merging with organic solutions to unlock the very essence of the bamboo. Watch as the fibers surrender their form, swirling in a slow-motion dance of chemistry, where every bubble marks the birth of a new material. The result is a pure, milky essence of cellulose, flowing through glass veins like the lifeblood of a new, sustainable world being born today. Science and nature unite in this sterile sanctuary, refining the liquid gold of the forest into the purest form of textile potential imaginable. High-pressure systems push the essence through intricate filters, removing every impurity to ensure that the final product is as flawless as the forest. Every tiny bubble and every filtered drop represents a commitment to excellence, turning raw nature into a refined masterpiece of molecular engineering. This is the crystallization of a vision, where the density of the tree becomes the fluidity of a dream, ready for the next stage. The laboratory serves as the bridge between the wild and the wearable, a place where the forest's soul is carefully distilled for our future. As the purification concludes, the essence of the bamboo is finally ready to take its first steps toward becoming the fabric of tomorrow. From the smallest nozzles, a miracle emerges as liquid turns to solid tow, manifesting as thousands of shimmering white threads in the factory air. These delicate fibers rise like a vertical waterfall, a soft and shimmering tribute to the strength of the bamboo that once reached for the stars. The spinning spools create a hypnotic rhythm, capturing the threads in a perfect dance of geometry and grace that satisfies the modern aesthetic eye. Watch as each thread glides through its path with effortless ease, a testament to the silk-like quality that defines this remarkable and sustainable bamboo textile. In the heart of the great weaving hall, a mechanical symphony begins, where ancient techniques are elevated by the power of modern, efficient technology. The shuttle flies with invisible speed, interlacing the threads to create a fabric that is as light as air and as soft as a cloud. The resulting cloth is a masterpiece of texture, possessing a natural sheen that catches the light like the surface of a calm mountain lake. This is more than just material. It is a breathable skin, designed by nature and perfected by man to offer comfort and timeless, sustainable beauty. Every yard of fabric is a promise kept, a physical manifestation of a journey that began in the forest and ends in high-quality fashion. Transitioning to the tailor's atelier, we feel the human touch, where sharp shears meet soft fabric in a moment of pure creative precision. Each cut is deliberate, following the natural flow of the cloth, as the tailor honors the material's origin with every measured and careful movement. The sewing machine hums a gentle tune, its needle dancing through the layers to join the forest's gift with the vision of the modern designer. Strength meets softness in every stitch, creating a bond that is both durable and incredibly gentle against the skin. Embodying the essence of quality. Hands that have spent years mastering the craft now glide over the bamboo cloth, smoothing every fold to ensure a silhouette of absolute perfection. Even the smallest details, like the labels of recycled fiber, speak to a philosophy where every component is chosen for its environmental integrity. Steam rises as the final touches are applied, the heat setting the shape and revealing the true elegance of the bamboo's new, sophisticated form. The garment hangs as a completed work of art, a bridge between the wild mountain slopes and the refined world of contemporary sustainable fashion. In this workshop, the precision of technology and the warmth of the human hand unite to breathe life into the forest's most precious fibers. Now the journey comes alive on the human form, as the fabric moves with the grace of a willow branch in the spring wind. Watch how the cloth breathes, its porous structure allowing the air to pass through, creating a cooling sensation that feels like a natural breeze. This is fashion that belongs to the earth, a style that doesn't just look beautiful but feels profoundly right for the world we live in. Up close. The intricate texture tells the story of its origin. A microscopic landscape of breathability that sets it apart from all synthetic alternatives. Comfort is the ultimate luxury, and here it is delivered through a material that respects the wearer as much as it respects the planet itself. The touch is unmistakable, a silk-like softness that remains cool in the heat and warm in the cold, a miracle of natural climate control. Standing beside its source, the garment reveals its true identity, a sophisticated evolution of the very stalks that once stood tall in the mountain. Every movement is a celebration of sustainability, where high-fashion aesthetics and environmental consciousness merge into a single, breathtaking vision of the future. This is the face of a new era, where what we wear reflects our values and our commitment to protecting the beauty of our world. As we move forward, we carry the forest with us, woven into our lives and our clothing as a constant reminder of our natural roots. The day draws to a close, but the cycle of life continues, as the golden light of sunset bathes the forest in a warm, eternal glow. From the earth, a new life emerges, a small sprout that carries the promise of future forests and the continuation of this incredible natural journey. When its time has passed, this fabric returns to the soil, biodegrading naturally to feed the very earth that gave it life in the beginning. This is the circle of true sustainability. Nothing is wasted, and every ending is merely the starting point for a brand new and vibrant beginning. We look up to the sky, knowing that the choices we make today will determine the health and the beauty of the world for tomorrow. Because a future of beauty should never be bought at the cost of life itself, but rather through the preservation and celebration of it. Nature is a delicate balance, and through sustainable fashion, we choose to walk in harmony with the creatures and the plants that share this home. In the quiet of the twilight, we find peace, knowing that our journey toward a greener, more beautiful world has only just truly begun. Choose the path that honors the earth, choose the fabric that breathes with the forest, and let us together build a legacy of lasting beauty. Bamboo. A journey of sustainability, where fashion meets the earth's heartbeat, creating a future that honors every living fiber of our beautiful world.